as you can see, it's snowing now. There's a couple of inches of snow on the road. I've already cleaned the car, used a snow blower or a leaf blower, and we're gonna be taking a drive out in the snow using the 11th gen. Yeah, it's pretty slippery outside. So I got traction control on, stock wheels, stock tires. This is a 2024 Honda Civic EXL hatchback. We're doing just fine. They haven't even plowed the roads yet, as you can see. And it's still snowing pretty hard out. 28 miles an hour. Now the speed limit here is 35. I'd rather take it slow because this is a busy road. But, you know, the car's handling it pretty well. The stock Continental tires are pretty good tires. They're all seasons. And again, this is just a couple inches of snow, like about 2 inches of snow. So I'm on my brakes now. And it seems like it's doing a good job. Turning. Ooh, it was sliding a little bit there. I don't know if you guys heard it. So I got my drink. It's a white hazelnut oat shake with 5 shots of espresso. And we're off again. backup camera is pretty much useless. This is what it looks like outside to give you an idea. So the roads are kind of plowed, but it's still snowing out. As you can see, it's not completely cleared, but it is slushy. Alright, so now we're on just snow at the moment. I think this road they don't really plow, so let's turn over here. Alright, so let's turn right. Here we go. So this road, they haven't plowed the right side yet. So let's see what this car can do. Oh yeah, here we go. Going uphill now. No problem whatsoever. It's only when you step on it, that's when you begin to slide. Oh, this one's pure snow right here. Well, the good news is the car did pretty well on the road, and it actually backed up in reverse up a hill. So this hill on my driveway is pretty steep, and then on the road, even with all the snow, it did pretty well. Well, got my Starbucks, and I'm just gonna head on inside. Alright, so here we are again on the road, this time with more snow. So as you can see, this road is not plowed at all. There is a couple of inches on the road, and I'm slipping and sliding everywhere. I cannot tell where the line is. Let's see here. Yeah, this is pretty bad. Alright, this part of the road seems to be clear. turn over here again, where it's all snow. And this is going uphill, by the way, guys. Oh yeah, we can definitely feel the car slipping and sliding. I feel like if I come to a complete stop and then go, I'll get stuck. But I seem to be doing fine at the moment. Okay, here comes some deep snow. Whoa. Never done this before. So here, there's about 4 inches of snow on the road. And like you can see over there, somebody kind of slid out. Here we go. Yeah, this is a really good amount of snow on the road.